Do what? Yeah.
Okay, guys.
Oh my goodness. Yes!
What is it?
Did I put here? Okay. Oh, Daddy.
What is that?
Case.
Games for my Xbox One.
What Xbox?
Xbox One.
You got an Xbox One?
Mm-hmm.
We got this in 2014.
A blue belt.
All right.
Oh my goodness. Well, that's cool.
Markers.
What's cool?
It's like this.
Daddy, a new top.
Set portfolio
Hey, look.
type thing.
And a bow tie.
You got a bow tie?
You like bow ties?
Go top bow tie. Daddy, look. Favorite football.
That's pretty neat.
Look at these leggings.
Cool.
Those are so cute.
Those are so
Those look
cool.
just like Sarah's almost.
They do.
You like that hat? Who is that on there?
Oh, Mama.
I got one like yours, sort of.
You did.
Mama.
That
Mama.
is neat. That's pretty.
I
What's
know.
that?
Flippers.
Are those thigh house shoes?
Look at these boots.
Oh, look what Bailey got.
Hey, don't let Bailey eat
Bailey,
those
don't
things.
eat my stuff. Still in time.
Bailey.
Oh.
Bailey.
Just
Bailey.
put it on there.
Hey, Bailey.
Um,
Look what you got. Stop it, Bailey.
They're sevens.
What are those lamps?
Who are they for? Me? Oh.
I thought they were for y'all.
And I was just like, oh my goodness, these are cute.
Why would you be a little lamp? Little lamp here?
Uh-huh.
It's pretty. isn't it?
These
You
are
get
awesome.
to
What's that hat?
give me this one.
What's that hat? Hey.
What?
These are football stickers.
Hey, look.
Those are the under your eye things? Is that what that is?
I got that one's gonna be for 4th of July. I got this almond one. That one's really cute.
Stop it, Bailey.
Is that a pat? What is that that just fell?
Huh?
That's
What was that that just fell? Bailey, get out of there.
This one. And this one.
Awesome.
Hey.
It's a nice dress shirt.
Yay!
Awkward.
Let me get this in.
Hold it up.
What is it, Jenna?
Overall.
What you got, Tyler?
Santa knows what size
What did I say, Daddy?
Here, scoot back.
Okay, that's hilarious.
What does that say?
Yeah.
It says swagger every day.
I can wear this one. Can I meet Well, that.
Oh, I got another one. Oh, good eyes. And another.
Tyler, what is that over there beside the Xbox?
Oh, and
Oh,
Boy.
yeah.
What is that?
Okay, don't let her hurt me.
yeah! You know.
Let me see. Hold it up. Football guys. Is it like little football players you can set up?
Mm-hmm.
That's pretty neat.
Daddy, look what else. Another.
Oh, you can draw.
And I can
I'm gonna do this first.
Be very careful.
I can draw these, Daddy.
Yeah.
Bailey.
Stop it. Oh boy. I can hang them up on my wall.
Oh, that'll be awesome.
That way down on my stocking.
And if,
Oh my goodness. Look, it's got my my name engraved in it.
That's pretty neat. In
Hold that up again.
case you forget who you are.
Let
me see, what is that?
Movie.
It's on the Auburn football season.
Ooh, a bunch of them.
That'll be awesome. We can watch that on the new Xbox.
Oh yeah.
Hunter Country.
Here, hold on just a second. Let me let you help set it up, okay, Jenna? Hey, Jen, do you want to take this? Let me help her set that up real quick. Or
Well, I mean, is he through?
are you through too?
Um,
There's an ornament up there too for somebody.
I think that's for me and Tyler.
Both, yeah.
Maybe that's the tree upstairs.
Yeah, probably.
Don't step on anything.
Can we get Bailey's stocking down?
Yeah.
Tyler, I'll just pull her stocking out.
Oh,
Okay.
oh.
Okay.
Oh.
Well, pull it out there.
It did break broken.
It didn't break. Tyler, let's see what Bailey got here.
those little trees.
Look at you go.
I can't.
Neck gear now.
Uh-huh.
Bailey.
Yeah.
Silver skates.
Tree.
Silver skates.
Let me go get it.
Yeah.
Hello, thank you. Oh, there's someone in here, I think. Might be someone. Oh. What is this? Oh, Bailey! What you got?
Oh, that's pretty.
Good. Good dog. If there's anything else. Nothing else for you.
Before we